Many of us depend on Google Maps to help us get where we want to go or to find food and services that we want. With Android Auto, Google Map functionality can be accessed through the App Connect system in your Volkswagen. With your compatible Android phone connected and Android Auto active, select the sign icon to access Google Maps. You'll see your location, but you can use your fingers to move the map around. A long press on the screen displays the address. You can also zoom in or zoom out of the map. Press here to go back to your current location. To find a location, press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel, or you can press the Android Auto microphone button on the touchscreen to talk to Google. Say Navigate to and the address you wish to go to. You can enter any address using natural voice commands. Google responds with the address and says, "Here we go," displaying the map and giving you directions. You can also find locations, such as the closest furniture store. Just press the talk button and say Navigate to and the name of the location you wish to go to. Google brings up the closest location and starts route guidance. Android Auto allows you to access the familiar Google navigation tools available on your Android phone, helping make navigation easy.